Did Sarah clock in today? I can't find her timesheet.
And this schedule report is completely wrong. How are we supposed to do payroll?
Are you still facing this issue? Introducing Zon Staff Management, your all-in-one Shopify POS app for full team control. Access clock-ins, tasks, and manager views all from one customizable screen. Staff clock in instantly using a personal PIN, giving you real-time visibility into shift status and hours worked directly within Shopify. Our flexible web portal lets your team clock in from any device, check tasks, and view schedules, even when they're away from the shop. Simply add your staff and assign unique PINs. Accounts are automatically activated the moment they clock in for the first time. Take the stress out of scheduling. Use our visual planner to create or copy shifts for the week, month, or year in just a few clicks. Make data-driven decisions. Track labor costs and productivity with detailed reports that monitor your workforce across any time period. Payroll. Simplify payday. Zon automatically calculates earnings based on tracked hours and rates, providing a clear breakdown of your history. Time off. Streamline leave requests. Review staff reasons and dates, then approve or decline instantly with our built-in system. Motivate your team with custom commissions. Set specific rules for products or staff to reward performance and grow your business. Zon Staff Management. Empower your team and simplify your operations. Install it on Shopify today. Thanks for watching.